today we are talking about a really exciting new palette. I guess this was a Christmas, whoop. If I could speak, that would be great. I guess this was a Christmas release. They released 3. And this is the e.l.f. Hot Chocolate Eyes Spice Palette. I seen Emily Noel talking about this as well. I picked this up at Target and they have these on sale right now for like 25% off. So I got this for $7.50, I believe. They're normally $10. This is the outer packaging. It's really pretty. It just says Hot Chocolate Eyes, cruelty-free and vegan. It says this palette features 15 pigmented shades in matte, shimmer, and satin finishes to make up the ultimate warm tone palette. I agree. You guys see the shades here. They are beautiful. My eyes immediately go to the yellow and this orange. I mean, holy cow. That is undeniably beautiful. So we do the look on my eyes today, and I'm really sorry about my hair. It's just not working. I don't know. Finally, I took it down. It went up and down, but yes, long story short, I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are new to my channel, hey, and I hope you stick around. But I use only natural lighting, so what you see is what you get. The colors in this palette are the colors on my eyes, and there's nothing making them brighter or making them pop more. This is it. So you guys see what I see. And I always prime my lids with concealer and I set them. I'm not one of those that likes a wet base for the most part. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and let's hop in. Swatches, of course. These are all of the shimmers and metallics. And then you have the orange and the black. They're like Tati's sequin formula. They're matte with glitter. Not my favorite, but we're going to use them. And then I wanted to do a swatch of the yellow because I'm not going to use that more than likely in this tutorial. But the yellow is not my favorite. It's not awful. It's just once you kind of start blending it out, and that's most yellows. It's not specifically this palette. It's kind of all of them for me. They're darker than I want. This one's much better packed on the lid as opposed to blending. All right, this hair has to go up. It's bugging me already. Yeah, it looks great. Looks great, doesn't it? Okay, so we're gonna start this backwards like we did the other day. I'm first going to go in with our shimmer down here. And then I'm gonna put that right on the lid. Like I said, I have used this palette and I do really like it. And especially where I got it on sale. This is a $10 palette, but I got it for $7.50. Yes, please. Hold on, my hair's falling. Okay, I'm done fooling with it. So I'm just gonna build that up a little bit. This is a nice brown coppery color. Almost looks like a penny. Like that's the vibe I get from it. It's just penny. It looks like a penny. And so as I'm sitting here, today is Christmas. So Merry Christmas. This may not go up today. I'm going to be super busy later. We've got dinner, which we are cooking. So I might not be able to get this up today, but I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas. Also, it is beautiful and sunny here in Kentucky, and it is 60 degrees. It's supposed to be 65 today. Yes. Yes. I swear I cannot wait for spring. I cannot. So what I'm going to do is I'm dipping into our orange here, but I'm going to try to tap it off to get a lot of that glitter off. Well, if you guys could see, it'd be great. So I'm just kind of tapping in, lightly tapping off, then going back in. I'm curious about this orange. I think it'll look beautiful on the lid too, but I want to try it in the crease. So tiny brush, tiny motions, really lightly putting it right above where we put our penny copper shade. I'm just putting little by little, and I'm not even trying to blend it yet. I'm gonna grab a different brush. let's see, what do we want to use? I think I'm gonna try this shade. These are a little bit powdery, but nothing that I can't work with. And then I'm gonna take this shade right above our orange shade and start blending out the orange. And then just circular motions and then blend upward. And I can intensify that orange. I'm not too worried about that at this point. I'm gonna go back in with our lighter brown shade. And I'm just kind of laying it down first and then blending. I absolutely love that they have a creamy white in here. And I'm kind of taking that right on the edge as well. Just making sure we're getting everything blended like we want it. I'm gonna take a different brush. This is a Real Techniques 203. I'm gonna grab a bit of that orange on the tip of our brush. Again, tap it off. And then I'm going to try just intensifying it while blending little baby circular motions. It's like I want that pop of orange just right there, but I still want everything to be blended out really nicely. Sorry if I keep putting this in front of my face. When you're trying to do like really, what's the word I'm looking for? When you're trying to be really precise, it's so hard not to have the mirror right in front of your face. That is hard. And then if I really wanted this to pop, I would go back in with my itty bitty brush, but I really like the way it's looking. I'm gonna grab the brush that we had before, the Morphe M513, and go in with our light matte shade here. We're gonna put this right on the brow bone and just kind of blend a little bit. Take a little bit right here in this inner portion as well. Got our brown shade again, and I'm just gonna put it right through here. I think this is so easy, but yet it makes an impact. It's craziness. I'm gonna grab a fat little pencil brush and go in with our orange shade. Put that all on our lower lash line. For this, you do have to be kind of careful because you can get some fallout where that glitter is suspended in there. So just be careful, make sure you are tapping off your brush. I'm gonna grab a little baby bit of this dark brown right here on an even smaller pencil brush. Sorry, I have to hold the mirror up close. I'm gonna put it tighter on the lower lash. Will give us a bit more dimension. I like it. I'm gonna grab the brown we used as the transition right here and put it right underneath all of the orange. We're gonna take this guy to highlight the inner corner. I swear this is beautiful. I'm gonna build it up just a little bit there on the inner corner, and holy cow, it is that simple. So I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and throw some lashes on and brows, and we will be back to talk about this palette. Okay, my lovelies, this is our finished look. I absolutely love the way that this looks. Oh, this hair. I can't. No. No. I'm that speechless. Yes. Hold on. Ugh. Okay, we're just gonna have to leave it down because up is not good at all. But yeah, this is it. I love the way that this looks. Let's talk about this palette. Like I said, I got it for $7.50, but even at $10, this palette is so good. I am shocked at how good it is. I've not had the best of luck with e.l.f. palettes. This is good. It is undeniably good. Everything blended out beautifully. The mattes were beautifully pigmented. They did exactly what I wanted them to do. As you can see, they are a little bit powdery, but fallout wasn't bad. I already had my face done and fallout was not bad at all. Even with this orange, I had just the slightest bit of fallout, but nothing terrible. Just, I mean, a little bit. I took a regular brush, my brush that I use for my setting powder under my eyes, just really swiped it away and that was it. So love this. These shades are all beautiful. This purple works really well. The yellow's actually the biggest disappointment for me in the palette. But like I said, yellows are really hard. No matter the brand, they're hard. So I would pack this on the lid as opposed to using it as a blending shade. It just doesn't work like I want it to blend. But everything else is beautiful. You guys seen the swatches, the shimmers and metallics are really, really nice. Nothing is chunky or weird. It is really smooth. These aren't metallics like they feel wet, but they still give a great amount of payoff and I appreciate that. I really have no more complaints about this. I like the packaging. It's pretty thin. I like it. I'm glad it's not a huge palette. I think this would be really travel friendly. So I highly recommend this palette. 15 shades for only $10. That's awesome. Hot chocolate eyes. This is the spice. They had a sugar that was more cool toned. And then they had one that was called Everything Nice. But I'm drawn to the warm tone palettes, guys. I cannot help it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you are having an awesome Christmas. And I hope you guys are having such awesome weather like we are. I can't wait to get outside. I'm going to throw this turkey in the oven. And I am going to, even if it's just sit, I'm going to go sit outside and get some vitamin D. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell. And hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.